Alright, we got our head all put back together now. It's all been painted, mouth's been connected back up. So what we're going to do is we want to put our wig piece on, and we're going to use this piece here, fun fur, or fox fur, whatever you're going to call it. So first thing you're going to do, you want to measure where you want it, how big a piece you want. So that's like 12, and then how far down do you want it to go here? So we're about 10 inches or so. So I cut out my piece of fur 12 inches by 10 inches. Now I marked the line back here where I want it to go in the back, because that's where we want to start. So we're going to do it like this, so when we fold it over, you don't have this line showing. So we gotta go like this. And make sure you get it turned the right way. We'll try to get it centered here with the ear. So that's what we want. So we're gonna bring it down to about there. And then I'm just gonna use staples to staple it on. That way, if you ever have to take it off to get inside, because this will be covered, you got the 2 screws on the side, you unscrew these and you can get inside if you need to get inside to do anything. So we'll do that, and we'll come over here to the side. We'll get this piece. Come over here and we'll do this. So now we can pull it over and pull it down, and you see that hides that edging, so you won't see that edging on there. So we'll do the sides here. And just go from side to side so you can try to keep it even. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to trim this down here, because I don't want that hanging so low. So we'll trim it back, give him a little haircut right in there. Trim this off because it's a little too long there, because we want to stay up on the neck. So we'll cut this off, then we'll come back and finish the head. So it's basically, you got your wig on, so he's ready. You can go and we'll start working on your body, getting the body ready. Thanks for watching.